My name is Leon Dejanay. I'm a pediatric ICU physician, and I work in Asheville, North Carolina. By being in the field of medicine for 25 years, I can see a lot of need for technological innovation within the healthcare field. So I am actually forming up a new company called Ideal Medical Technologies. The first thing that Ideal Medical Technologies is going to tackle is glucose control in the inpatient setting. And specifically, there's a need to keep the blood glucose level within the type range. So I've developed glucose control software that actually is artificially intelligence-based. I've been working on this technique for the last 6 years. As I perfected the control rules, I've actually tested the glucose controller against a mathematical model of the ICU patient's blood glucose system in MATLAB software. And I've also interfaced my software with intravenous pumps that will allow me to test it in patients. My goal is to actually initiate testing of my novel glucose control software in type 1 diabetic patients in a clinical research center. And once I've shown that the software actually works on patients who are devoid of any insulin release, that being type 1 diabetic patients, I'll move on to testing the software in ICU patients themselves for a period of 24 to 48 hours. I'll be inputting this highly accurate blood glucose level into my software. The software will tell me what adjustments need to be made to the intravenous doses of insulin and dextrose in order to keep the blood glucose level in a tight range. And by doing this for an extended period of time, over 24 to 48 hours, I will actually be able to prove that this novel glucose control software works in a superior fashion to existing blood glucose controllers. I think it is revolutionary. I don't think this is an incremental improvement. I think this is a revolutionary improvement in blood glucose control in the inpatient setting. Hopefully will significantly decrease complication rates, mortality rates, and I foresee saving tens of billions of dollars in healthcare costs per year and hundreds of thousands of lives per year in this country alone.